If you are worried there may be a water leak at your property, then we are here to help, and checking your property for a leak is much easier than you think. The first step is to turn off all your appliances that use water and make sure that there is no water being used in the property. Make sure for this test your internal stop tap is left on. This is usually found underneath your kitchen sink. Locate your water meter cover. Most meters are located outside of your property, usually in your front garden, driveway, or footpath. If it is safe to do so, open the cover with a blunt object and take out any frost covers. Check that your unique meter serial number matches your water bill and take a meter reading, making a note of all the numbers, both black and red. Set a timer for 30 minutes and check your meter again. If both readings are the same, your water supply is leak-free. If your second reading is higher than your first, you may have a leak. If you do have a leak, you can narrow this down to either being inside or outside your property. Let's do another test to see if we can locate where it might be. Check again that no water is being used in the property, and this time, turn off your internal stop tap. Go back to your meter and take another reading, making a note of all the numbers, both black and red. After another 30 minutes, take a second reading. If your meter reading is higher after both tests, this could mean a problem between the meter and the internal stop tap. Please contact us and we'll see what we can do to help. If there is no difference, the leak is most likely coming from inside the property. This could be something small like a leaky loo or dripping tap, so please use a water-safe plumber to repair it. You might not realise, but you need to get private leaks repaired within 30 days, so please let Dŵr Cymru know once it has been fixed, especially if you're worried about your bill, as we might be able to help you. To recap, test 1, stop tap on. No change to the numbers, there is no leak on your pipes. If the numbers have changed, you might have a leak, do the second test. Test 2, stop tap off. No change to the numbers, there could be a leak inside your property. Call a plumber. If the numbers have changed, this could mean a problem between the meter and the internal stop tap. Contact us and we'll see what we can do to help. Water's precious, let's not waste it. For more information on leaks, go to www.dwrcymru.com/leakinfo. To find a water-safe approved plumber in your local area, visit www.watersafe.org.uk.